Yo, what is going on, guys? Chef T-Ball back in the kitchen once again. First of all, I must apologize for the the lack of clothing. If you're in the UK right now, we've got some mad heat wave. It's 30 degrees, it's beautiful, but damn, it's hot. So yeah, I'm almost a naked chef, almost. Right, so today's recipe, we are doing a little mashup. Just imagine if your nan, someone's nan, went to Italy, the leaning tower of Pisa, fell over on top of your nan. That's what we got. We're doing a NAANIZZA. So bottom, naan bread, top, pizza. It's gonna be sick. So looking forward to this one. Guys, before we get too far in, you know what we need to do? Smash the thumbs up button. If you're new around here, subscribe, turn on your notification bell. Be notified every time I upload a video. And then the next thing we always do, step one. Done a lot of step ones today. It's been hot. You need many step ones. Stay hydrated. Right guys, enjoy the video.
Okay, so another beautiful HelloFresh recipe. This one comes under the family section on the website, so it's great for all the family. You get them to help out at the end decorating the pizzas, or the NAANIZZAs I should say. But guys, first of all, you want to start off, get your pepper, you want to slice it in half, take out the core and the seeds, then slice it to thin strips. Put this to one side, and then we're going to move on to the red onion. So now take one red onion and you want to chop it in half, peel it, and then cut it into 4 to 5 wedges. This is going to go onto a baking tray lined with foil along with the peppers that you've just sliced. You're going to drizzle with oil and a little bit of salt and pepper. This is going to go in the oven along with the chicken that we are about to prepare right now. Okay, for this, the chicken we're going to use is chicken thigh meat. You want to trim off all the fatty bits. This is going to go on a separate tray lined with foil, a little drizzle of oil, salt and pepper again. Make sure it's laid nice and flat so it cooks properly. This is going to go in on the middle shelf. You'll put the veg on the top shelf. You'll give that about 16 to 18 minutes. Make sure it's nice and soft, and make sure you wash your hands once you're done dealing with the chicken. Okay, now it's time to prepare the sauce that we're going to coat the chicken and vegetables in a bit later on. You want to take a sachet of sun-dried tomato paste, some tomato puree, half of the barbecue sauce that comes with the recipe, add that to a large bowl, add a tablespoon of water, and then set that to side. That is ready to use later on. And then take your 2 types of cheese. You're going to see this in the next clip. It's going to be a little cube. I think they're 30 grams each. One is a cheddar cheese and one is a Monterey Jack. Grate those up, they can go in the same bowl together, give it a good mix up, and that's going to be sprinkled on a little bit later. Now we've finished the prep, the time has passed and the vegetables and chicken should be ready to come out of the oven. Take them out, your veg should be nice and soft. You're going to pour them into the sauce, give it all a good mix around. set that to the one side, and then time to move on to putting your chicken. Okay, the chicken's done, it's looking great. And to pull chicken, you want to grab 2 forks and literally just stab the forks into it and just pull apart. It will be nice and stringy, it will come apart really easy, and you just keep pulling away at it and making it all shredded. You can be as rough as you want. If you want slightly bigger pieces of chicken, you can make it really fine if you keep at it. I've got quite rough size pieces. This is going to go into the bowl with the peppers, onions and your sauce. Chicken's in there too, mix it all up together, and then we're going to move on to preparing the naan breads to get ready for this beautiful mixture to go on top. Okay, naan breads, very simple. These come in a packet. Take out the packet. You can make your own if you've got them kind of skills. So yeah, get your remaining barbecue sauce, spread that equally over the 2 naan breads, get a base of a spoon and just spread around the base of that naan bread. You're good to add the chicken and pepper mix. So now the base is sorted, you can add everything out of your bowl, chuck it all on there, spread it between the 2 evenly, sprinkle with that cheese that you grated earlier. If you like to, you can add more cheese. It's completely up to you. I mean, I did a separate 2 naan breads because my wife and stepson do not like barbecue sauce. They don't like peppers or onions, so I made them a tomato based with some tomato puree, and I just added chicken and tomato sauce to that. They really enjoyed it. So you can literally, any of your favorite pizza toppings you could influence or bring into this dish. It's up to you. So moving on to that, we're going to show you what it looks like when it comes out of the oven. In the recipe, it just shows you how to do the naan breads. I served this with a little side salad and some cheesy wedgies. It was beautiful. You can add whatever you like. But guys, I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, smash that like button and subscribe. Hey guys, I give this one an 8 out of 10. 8 out of 10. I really enjoyed it. It's good for you, good for the family. Hope you enjoyed the video. Catch you in the next one. Peace out.